Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here with a walkthrough of this mini folio album. The tutorial for this folio will be linked down below in the description area, but you can also click up where the I button is to watch it as well. I used the new release by Knitwit Collections, which is called Gnome Spring, and it's an Easter kit. We can definitely make a lot of projects such as treat boxes, greeting cards, explosion boxes, mini albums and happy mails. I love this background with carrots here and there. Here is a plaid background and a pink one with polka dots. I used yellow cardstock to build the folio and I think it's very pretty. Down here there is a cute bunny holding a carrot and a sentiment that says I carrot about you. Here is a gnome and you can stick back behind your photo and it says I carrot about you so very much. Oh, look how adorable is this little chick! Here I made a pocket with a tag and it says sending you a basket full of love. This element is just gorgeous and it can be a focal point to an Easter greeting card. All patterns are so well done and this bundle really is a digital Easter must-have kit. Okay guys, I hope you like this project. I would love to write my comment down below in the description area. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!